Hey YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on this 2007 Toyota Rav4. Same concept applies for similar model years. So with the car on right now, you can see the right bottom corner, you see the maintenance required light. Now what I'm going to do is turn the car off, turn the key to the on position, and using your trip reset button, we're going to switch to trip A. So now we're at trip A with just one click. We're going to turn the key back off, and now you're going to need both hands for this. So you're going to hold down the trip reset button and turn the key to the on position. So we're going to do that now. So hold the button and turn the key to the on position. You should see those lines clearing out and the maintenance light flashing, and then the trip A flashing. And you can see the maintenance required light is gone. We're going to start the car up and see that the maintenance required light was reset. So now the car is on, there's no maintenance required light, and that's all it takes. Thank you for watching the video.